We are seeing the most disruptive force in history here. Where we have for the first time, we will have for the first time something that is smarter than the smartest human. And that
Artificial intelligence presents both opportunities and challenges. Past technology revolutions in general, sometimes we all feel that technology eventually generates more jobs than it displaces. That is true. But the key word is eventually.
Issues on H1B, Vasudha, it's not so much a question in terms of what would happen to numbers, because India is
AI is replacing jobs. Big tech is laying off workers, and the H1B visa holders, they are still stuck in the middle. Thousands of these jobs are disappearing, and here is the real question. Is AI the reason? It's not just factory workers, it's not just call centers. AI is replacing high-paying tech jobs, the jobs most H1B visa holders depend on. Software testing, IT support, and financial analysis. But not all jobs are disappearing. Some are booming because of AI. If you're working in tech or planning to move to the US on a H1B visa, you need to pay attention. Segment 1. AI's growing role in the US job market. AI is already replacing jobs, and it's happening faster than most people think. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Meta have laid off thousands of employees in the past year.
On performance are usually replaced. Microsoft did not say how many workers will be impacted. Last year, the company cut thousands of workers following its acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the company behind Call of Duty.
Shake the technology sector and come days after rival Microsoft said that it would lay off 10,000 workers.
Many of these jobs gone because of automation. Here is the scary part. It's not just warehouse workers, not just customer support agents. AI is replacing jobs that were once considered safe. According to PEW research, 1 in 5 US jobs are at risk because of AI automation.
You know, there's a sentence in the founding documents of the Pew Research Center that I always think back to, which goes like this. Fact-based information is the fuel democracies run on. It's the raw material from which societies identify.
And that's 19% of jobs that AI could replace. It's only the beginning. Companies used to need entire teams for QA testing and to check software bugs. But today, AI-powered testing tools do it in seconds. No salary, no sick days, no mistakes. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's fundamentally changing them. The real winners are those who learn to work with AI instead of competing with it. Now, what does this mean for Indian professions on H1B visa? That's where things get tricky. Segment 2. AI's impact on H1B workers and immigration trends. For decades, the H1B visa was a golden ticket for skilled Indian professions. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Apple fought to bring the best global talent through this program. But now, AI is changing the game. Many companies hiring few foreign workers because AI can now do some of those jobs. Companies are no longer looking for general software developers.
Sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code. And once you have that, then
they are looking for AI specialists. If your resume doesn't have AI or machine learning on it, you are already behind. The US government knows AI is the future.
But unless safeguards are in place, AI could spawn new threats to our rights, our way of life, to our privacy, how we work and how we protect our nation. We must make sure AI is safe and trustworthy.
In October 2024, President Biden has signed an executive order to make it easier for AI and STEM workers to get visas. Employers now prefer candidates with AI skills. Many companies are shifting from general software development roles to AI integrated positions. And here is a big takeaway. AI isn't just taking away jobs, it's changing the kind of workers companies want to hire. If you are still applying for jobs in the old way, you're still wasting your time. Segment 3. Industries at risk versus industries of opportunities. So, we know AI is changing the job market. But the big question is which jobs are actually at risk and which ones are still safe. Let's start with the ones in danger. First up, software testing. Companies used to hire entire teams of QA testers to check for software bugs. But today, AI-powered testing tools do the same job in seconds. No human errors, no salaries, no sick leaves. Next, basic IT support. Remember when people used to call IT for simple tech problems? Now AI chatbots can handle most of it. Companies are shifting to automated troubleshooting. This means fewer human support teams. And then accounting and finance. AI powered financial tools are automating reports, audits, and even risk analysis. This means fewer jobs for entry level accountants. Okay, now let's switch gears. Not all jobs are disappearing. Some industries are booming because of AI. Number one, AI and machine learning development. This one is obvious. If AI is replacing jobs, guess what? Someone needs to build the AI.
I'll highlight a key area which us and a few other companies are working on, which I think will really make progress. We call this agentic workflows. So anywhere you can describe a task in natural language, and the AI can.
If you have a background in software developing, consider shifting to machine learning and AI engineering. Next, cybersecurity and data privacy. As AI is getting smarter, hackers are using AI tools too. This means companies need AI powered defenses, more cybersecurity experts, more AI driven security solutions. If you have experience in IT, this might be a smart transition. And finally, product management and UX design. AI may be powerful, but it still needs human guidance. Businesses need experts who can understand the user needs, analyze AI generated insights, create AI powered products that people actually want. So, here is a big takeaway. If your job involves repetitive tasks, you might be in danger. But if your work is in AI development, cybersecurity, and human AI collaboration, you are in strong position. Now, you might be thinking, this is great, but how do I make the transition? Let's talk about that next. Segment 4, how Indian job seekers can prepare. So, if you are an H1B worker or someone planning to move to the US, you need a plan. The good news is it's not too late to future proof your career. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, learn the basics of AI. You don't have to be a programmer to understand AI. These are the free courses that explains AI in simple terms. 1, AI for Everyone by Coursera. This is a non-technical course by Andrew Ng, and this is absolutely free. Second, AI for Beginners by Microsoft. This is a structured 12-week AI program with hands-on lessons. Second, get certified. Employees look for official credentials, which when hiring for AI automated jobs. Here are the two best free certification programs. 1, IBM Skill Build covers AI fundamentals, machine learning, and neural networks. Second, Google Cloud Training. This teaches AI development using Google's cloud technology like TensorFlow. Step 3, update your resume and LinkedIn. Tip 1, add AI and machine learning to your skill section. Tip 2, add your AI certification. Recruiters filter for candidates by skills. Step 3, follow AI recruiters and hiring managers on LinkedIn. They post job openings first. And finally, connect with AI professionals. Do job hunt alone. Join AI related LinkedIn groups, attend tech meetups and webinars, network with hiring managers in AI powered industry. So there you have a complete roadmap to future-proof your career. Now, let's wrap this up. The job market is changing fast, and if you don't adapt, you will get left behind. AI isn't just coming, it's already here. The question is, will you be ready? Step 1, start learning AI today. Free courses linked in the description. Step 2, update your resume, highlight AI skills. Step 3, network with AI professionals, connect with hiring managers now. So, what do you think? Is AI a threat or an opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more updates on AI, jobs, and visas.